Today we're going to do a quick demo on how to make your own washi tape using scrap paper or scraps from rice paper. So I had some leftover paper from the Bee Jewels design, and I made my own washi tape out of it. So washi tape is really cool to use for art journals or scrapbook pages. It's just a fun way to just add a little bit of embellishment to your project. Um, kind of like random random bits here and there just to add a little texture and design. So there's a demo of what it looks like when it's done, and let's go ahead and get started. So I used a roll. This is called basic double-sided tape, and I just got this on Amazon. I will put a link to it in the description, but it's double-sided tape. So when you unroll it, the back side of it is already adhesive, and you don't have to pull off anything to get to the adhesive. So I'm going to use this crown and wings. It was a scrap that I had, and I'm tearing off the white bits, and I'm going to just unroll that tape and lay my rice paper right down onto the adhesive area. So when you do it, just make sure that the tape isn't buckled up under there. Mine was. It's not a big deal, but get it as flat as possible. So you can see I kind of got a little bit buckled there. Now just rip away the excess, and you could use a ruler to use kind of a flat edge to help rip it away. I'm just using the edge of the tape. Or you can take a little paintbrush with some water. I'll show you that in a second. And just go right up along that edge. And then that will help soften the fibers so that you can pull it away a little bit easier. So that's one way to do it. If you like the feathered edge and you want your tape to have a feathered edge, you can definitely do that. See, it's coming up so much easier there. So there you go. Now I have a roll of washi tape started, and you can keep going with this for as long as you want. You could even combine designs. You could do sort of a collage on tape. You could add napkins to it, just any random bits and scraps that you have. So like I said, it's a great way to really store off all those scraps that you have and kind of create a new project from them. And I saw this on YouTube. It was a lady who did it with all her napkin scraps. So that's how I got the idea. I said, I have a lot of scraps laying around. Let's try it with rice paper. And sure enough, it worked out great. So here I am showing you. So here I'm just gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna cut these edges right along that side. And that's great if you want a cleaner look. So I think for this purpose, I think I prefer the cleaner look. But whatever you prefer is fine. And so just kind of cut along that edge. And so since this is a demo, I will go ahead and wrap it up. And then you can just roll your tape around. The other side does have the backing to it, so it's not going to stick when you roll it. And roll it up to save for later, and put your little rubber band around it, and there you go. You have a cute little roll of washi tape. So this tape, I think, comes in a few different widths. This one, I think, is about an inch. Like I said, I will link to it. And let's test out our new roll and see how we did. So I'm just pulling that backing away. And there you go. Put it on my journal page, rip it off. There you go. Perfect. So thanks for watching. See you soon.